As a YouTube gamer, what content would you be able to pull viewers to Patreon? They get so much free gaming content, so you wouldn't be giving them gaming content on Patreon, okay? So a Meddler Forever, what you would be giving them on Patreon would be a closer proximity to you, private streams with you, a private message with you, private gaming sessions with you, possibly a private Q&A with you, behind the scenes on your channel and your stream. You're going to sell them proximity to you. They can't really get that proximity on a regular live stream. They can just chat with you while watching you stream live, right? Like you guys are doing right now. But if they pay you money on Patreon, maybe they can talk to you one-on-one. Maybe they can do a group Q&A. Maybe they can get behind the scenes photos. Maybe they can get early access to your content. Maybe you can sign a piece of merchandise for them. You get it? So you're giving them proximity. You're giving them something more exclusive and closer to you as an individual, as a gaming creator, and that can help build deeper connections with your audience. And also it gives them something that only money can buy, right? They are paying for proximity. You get it? Hope that makes sense to you. Just a second, gaming creators. I just wanted to let you know about our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. It's $1,100 in gear for gaming creators, including this microphone, shock mount stand. If you like the sound you hear right now, you could sound this good in all of your live streams and videos using this Rode package that they hooked us up with. Let me just show it to you. There's a link in the description below if you want to enter this sweepstakes. It includes this audio gear you see here, plus the super high-end Rodecaster Pro mixer, plus our friends over at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, and our friends at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. This is gear and software I use to grow my channels and to help my clients, and gear that I recommend all the time. And it's freaking free to enter to win this. Link in the description below. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get this gear, and at the very least, enter to win. At least you have a shot to pick it up at a cost of $0. Why not enter? Link below. Good luck, gaming creators.